Hello dear friends, welcome to this online video lecture. Myself Pavarime from HM College Karad, conducting here this video lectures under the Rayat Online School Education, that is the ROSE project. I am conducting here 7th lecture from biology. The topic is biodiversity conservation and environmental issues. Moves to the next slide. So, last lectures we have to seen the levels of biodiversity, patterns of a biodiversity, biodiversity current scenario, loss of a biodiversity, conservation of a biodiversity, Biological Diversity Act 2002, environmental issues, greenhouse effect and global warming, and ozone depletion. So, today's lecture we start. Next point is deforestation. What is mean by deforestation? Deforestation is the purposeful clearing of forested land throughout history, and into a modern times forests have been raised to make a space for agricultural and animal grazing and to obtain wood for fuel manufacturing and construction. Deforestation has a greatly altered landscape around the world. Next, deforestation is a conversion of forest area into non-forest area. According to estimate, almost 40% forests are lost in the tropics and only 1% in temperate region. The scenario of deforestation is grim in India. At the beginning of 20th century, forest covers was about 30% in India. By the end of century, it got reduced to 19.4%. Moves to the next slide. The National Forest Policy 1988 of India has recommended 33% forest cover for the plains and 67% for the hills. Deforestation takes place by conversion of forest to agricultural land so as to feed the growing human population. Trees are cut off for timber, firewood, for keeping cattle in farm, and for other purposes. Humans are cut the trees in the forests other purposes. Move to the next slide. Slash and burn agricultural, commonly called as zoom cultivation in northeastern part of India. What is meant by zoom cultivation? Zoom cultivation is a traditional farming method where first the land of trees and other vegetation is cleared, burned, and cultivated for a limited number of years. Zoom cultivation is also known as the shifting cultivations or slash and burn agricultural, commonly called as the zoom cultivations. When farmers cut down trees of the forest and burn the plant remains, the ash is used as a fertilizers and the land is used for farming and cattle grazing. The farmers are or humans are ash is used as a fertilizers and the land is used as a farming and the or cattle grazing. After cultivation, the areas in left for several years so as to allow its recovery. Moves to the next slide. Major effects of deforestation. Major effect of deforestation is the increased concentration of CO2 in the atmosphere because trees hold a lot of carbon in their biomass are lost with deforestation. The major effect of deforestation is increased concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is the major effect of deforestation. It leads to the loss of biodiversity due to habitat destruction, disturbs hydrologic cycle, causes soil erosion and desertification in extreme cases. These are the major effects of deforestation. Moves to the next slide. The picture shows deforestation. Moves to the next slide. Reforestation is the process of restoring a forest that once existed but was destroyed or removed at some time in past. Reforestation occurs naturally in the deforested area. We can speed up this by plantation of trees with due to consideration due to biodiversity that existed before. Moves to the next slide. Best example of people's participation in reforestation is Salumara Thimmakka, Indian environmentalist from state of Karnataka, noted for her work in planting and tending to 385 banyan trees along a 4-kilometer stretch of highway between Hulikal and Kudur. She has also planted nearly 8,000 other trees. Her work has been honored with the National Citizens Award of India. She was also conferred with a Padam Shri in 2019. Moves to the next slide. Moriantham Loya from Manipur dedicated 17 years of his life to restore Punchilok forest. He left his job and took over the task of bringing back the lost glory of 300 areas forest land. He planted a variety of trees like bamboo, oak, ficus, teak, jackfruit, and magnolia. Moriantham Loya from Manipur dedicated 17 years of his life to restore the Punchilok forest, and they planted a variety of trees like bamboo, oak, ficus, teak, jackfruit, and magnolia. These plants are planted and their varieties are planted in the Punchilok forest. Today, the forest has over 215 varieties of plants, including 25 varieties of the bamboo. It is now selected as a home by great diversity of animal too. Moves to the next slide. Case study of people's participation in conservation of forest. History of people's participation in India can be tracked back to 1731. The ministers of the king of Jodhpur in Rajasthan tried to cut forests to procure wood for a new palace. Local Bishnoi community, known for a peaceful coexistence with nature, opposed the king's men. Moves to the next slide. A Bishnoi woman, Amrita Devi, hewed the trees and lost her life in an attempt for protecting the forest. Her 3 daughters and hundreds of the Bishnois too lost their lives. The government of India was recently instituted Amrita Devi Bishnoi Wildlife Protection Award for individuals or community from rural areas that have shown extraordinary courage and dedication in protecting wildlife. Moves to the next slide. Do you know the Chipko movement or Chipko Andolan was a forest conservation movement in India? The movement originated in 1973 at the Himalayan region of Uttarakhand, then part of Uttar Pradesh, and went to become a rallying point for many future environmental movements all over the world. The picture shows Chipko movement. Moves to the next slide. In 1980s, realizing the significance of participation of local communities, Government of India introduced in the concept of Joint Forest Management JFM so as to work closely with local communities for protecting and managing forest. In return for their services to the forest, and the communities get benefit of various forest products like fruits, gums, rubbers, medicines, etc. And thus the forest can be conserved in a sustainable manner. Moves to the next slide. Our next point or last point in this topic is Mission Harit Maharashtra. So, Mission Harit Maharashtra is a prime focus of the campaign of not only a increased green cover but a reduced biotic pressure on forest by distributing LPG to villages surrounding forest and cows to them stop grazing in forest, said Praveen Pardeshi, Principal Secretary, Forest. Next, an ambitious project of planting 50 crore trees in 4 years was taken up by government of Maharashtra in the year 2016. Under this project, yearly targets were given to each district. The plantation drive is in line with the National Forest Policy (NFP) means National Forest Policy, which aims at maintaining 33% forest cover in the country. A 24-hour toll-free helpline number 1926 called Hello Forest has been set up to provide information regarding plantation, protection and for mass awareness. Moves to the next slide. The campaign was launched across 12,000 gram sabhas across Maharashtra and Joint Forest Management JFM villages to take up a natural regeneration works, water conservation, stop a new encroachments, forest fires, Kurad Bandi, and grazing. In Thane Circle, the drive was launched with fanfare in JFM villages, means Joint Forest Management. The picture shows Harit Maharashtra. In Nashik Circle, social workers Anna Hazare distributed LPG to villages. Similarly, campaign was launched in Nimbala in Chandrapur districts by Environment Minister Sanjay Deole, and in Gondia, staff attendance in 145 gram Sabha meetings of the 319 JFM committees. Shramadhan besides 58 water conservation works were launched. Moves to the next slide. The Forest Department has created a mobile application called as a My Plants to record details for the plantation such as the numbers, species and locations. The Forest Department has created a mobile app. This mobile app is also called as a My Plants to record details the plantation such as the number, species and their locations. Authorities are expected to take care of saplings in the first year, that is the year 2016. 2.87 crore sapling were planted. In 2017, 5.17 crore, and in 2018, 15.17 crore plantation count was achieved. In the year 2019, the government aimed at phenomenal 33 crore sapling plantation, which was launched at Anandavan, Varora. Moves to the next slide. The government was dedicated to adapt Japanese Miyake method of plantation for this project. State Forest Department and Social Forestry Department have run successfully pilot plantation programs using Miyake patterns in various districts like Beed, Hignoli, Pune, Jalgaon, Aurangabad, etc. Moves to the next slide. The picture shows Miyake method for restoring tropical forests. See here, germinate the seeds in a nursery when 2 or 3 leaves have sprouted more than seedlings. To plot, cultivate the seedlings in pots until their root groups generally fills the containers. Next, cultivate under the designer to cut 60% of the sunlight for 1 to 2 months. Next, cultivate under nets designed to 40% of the sunlight for 1 to 2 months. Next step is adapt to a natural environment and existing forest, period of between 1 week or 1 month. And no management is the best management is the plant and conduct maintenance for 1 to 2 years. From the third year, interest and trees of natural management at his point of rule is no management is the best management is the Miyake method for restoring tropical forest. Miyake pattern, the picture actually shows the Miyake patterns. So moves to the next slide. So in this lecture we have to seen the Mission Harit Maharashtra and deforestation. These 2 points are last points in the topic. Last lecture we have to seen the levels of biodiversity, environmental issues, patterns of a biodiversity, conservation of a biodiversity and their strategies, ex situ conservation, in situ conservation. Ex situ conservation means offsite conservation and in situ conservation means inside conservations. These conservation strategies we have to see Biological Diversity Act 2002, ozone depletion, global warming, greenhouse effect. These points are studied in the last lecture. Now today's lecture we have to see the deforestation and Mission Harit Maharashtra. Mission Harit Maharashtra. These points are last point in this lecture. Now the topic is over. Thank you.